Hi, everyone. It's Dr. VanSlette. It is Saturday morning early, and I'm just checking in because we did change the due date slightly to tomorrow for all of your week one assignments. There are a lot of assignments, so I really hope you're getting ahead of those. And most of you have had your tech issues with Pearson resolved, and I'm glad about that. I see that you're turning in quizzes and writing assignments on the Revel site. Do not forget that you also have discussion board, a post for you, and then 2 replies on our Blackboard site on our discussion board. All of that is due now for only this week, tomorrow, Sunday, by midnight, 11:59 p.m. Sunday. Normally, every other week, it'll be Saturday at 11:59. But since it took us a day to sort of get everybody's kinks worked out with tech, I'm giving you an extension, one-day extension on that deadline. It is a lot of work, guys. I mean, the 1 week that I give you to complete all these things is purposeful. I want you to use that week. And I see some of you cramming it all into this last day, and it could make you crazy. And I don't think you want to be crazy and stressed in the summer. So don't do that to yourself, okay? So do it in advance and do the readings early in the week so you can finish these assignments in sort of a logical progression where you're not in a crunch in the weekends. Why would you want to be stressed over the weekend, right? I've tried to reply to any tech concerns that you've sent me, and I forward them on to the the Pearson representative. He is out for the weekend, guys. So if you saved your tech issues until last night, he's gone. And I can sort of give you the tips that he gave a couple other students who had issues, but in terms of like major problems, it's going to kind of be until Monday. So again, please consider working ahead in this class because 16 weeks squished into 5 means so much work, and you got to space it out to be on top of things. So I hope you're enjoying like the actual course material once you get into it. Public relations, I mean, when I got into it, social media didn't exist. And certainly my master's thesis and dissertation had nothing to do with social media. A lot of what I studied and continue to find interesting is sort of crisis and strange public relations, like counterintuitive, problematic public relations. So companies that say crazy things and do crazy things and why they're still around. That's sort of been my focus, celebrity PR a little bit. And I hope that you find, now that you've sort of started reading about public relations, I hope you can open up a newspaper or Twitter and you see all these examples of public relations, good and bad, in the news and in your daily lives. Sort of the whole point of this intro to PR is to give you a taste so you sort of see it everywhere and learn to appreciate it or learn how to do it and learn that it's not easy work. It's kind of a full-time 24/7 job. So anyway, what a week one. Okay, so all of your stuff is due Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Please work ahead. This is like, you don't want to be doing this last minute procrastination stuff in a summer class, guys. I swear. I've seen it before. It's a crash and burn situation, okay? So give yourself time to do edits, copyright your own work. Make sure you check over your work. And as I said in my email yesterday, this first week of readings and quizzes and on the Pearson site, the special writing assignments, they're scored in the way that is default to the site. I caught it too late, so I couldn't change them for the week 1, chapters 1 through 4. I did change them for weeks 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what you'll find is different about this week 1 is that your quiz points. You're taking a quiz where it says this one question is worth 15 points for you, which if you looked at our syllabus points is a ton. And it's not accurate. It's actually only going to be worth 1 point per question. You're also this 1 week going to be allowed to take 3 chances, have 3 attempts at the quizzes, but in future weeks, you only get 1 attempt. So the points are worth less, but you're only going to get 1 chance at the quiz questions. And then the writing prompts are only going to be worth 10 points. The special, the little writing questions at the end of each chapter, 10 points, not 15, I think is what it's set at now, or 20. But anyway, so think about those differently this week versus next. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy weekend.